Imagine setting up a full 76-inch light stand, phone mount and ring light in less than 5 seconds with just one tap on the floor. Sounds like the dream setup for content creators on the go, right? Well, KraftGeek just sent me their brand new GlowRing Portable Ring Light with tripod stand to test out. Hi, it's Andy here at Photechvideo. Welcome back to the channel. Now, full transparency up front, KraftGeek sent me this product free of charge for me to try it out and to give you my own honest opinion. No money has changed hands, they didn't send me any type of script, and they haven't seen this video before it's uploaded to my channel. It's my own personal thoughts. And if you do decide that this piece of gear fits into your workflow, I've got an affiliate link in the description section down below, and if you use our exclusive discount code Photechvideo, you'll get 15% off at the checkout. Why should you even care about a kit like this? Simple. Speed and mobility. If you're creating shorts, reels, vlogs, or interviews on location, dragging around heavy lights, light stands, external batteries, and separate phone clamps is a complete mood killer. You want something lightweight, compact, and quick to deploy before you lose your momentum. This setup centers around KraftGeek's Just Tap tripod base. You simply tap the bottom against the ground and the feet pop out and spread instantly. The footprint gives reasonably solid stability on flat surfaces, and the tripod extends from 26 inches all the way up to a towering 76 inches. Plus, attaching your phone uses a strong N52 MagSafe magnet. You just snap your phone on. No clunky plastic clamps pinching your fingers. And if your phone or case isn't MagSafe, they include a spare magnetic ring adapter right in the box. Now, to be completely honest with you, I'm not normally a big fan of ring lights. Sometimes they leave harsh, unnatural ring reflections in your eyes or in your glasses that look like sci-fi portals. So let's do a real-world test right now. Let's turn my two LED 100-watt studio lights off and see what this 10-watt LED output actually does to my skin tones and eyes. I'm going to position it just off here to the side of me so that you can see the light which it gives me, as well as the effect either in my glasses or in my eyes. Okay, so here I have the ring light on its tripod just off to my side here. As you can see, I have a shadow on one side of my face. If I slowly turn towards the light, then you'll be able to see that the shadow gets filled. This is on maximum power, and it has 3 different color temperatures. This is on the middle color temperature. Take a look at my eyes. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and see what you think. Is it really reflecting a lot? What do you think? So what was your first reaction? Bear in mind that here in my studio, my ceiling lights are turned off, my 2 100-watt studio lights are on, and the only light that was hitting my face in that test was the light coming from that 10-watt ring light. So, first impressions? Looking at that clip of video, the diffusion panel does a surprisingly good job of softening the output. You get 3 color temperatures, as I said before: cool, warm, and natural balance, plus adjustable brightness, 10 different levels of adjustable brightness. Remember, in my test, I was using the maximum brightness and I was using the natural balance. In the KraftGeek listing, it does talk about the different Kelvin degree temperatures of the light, but as I don't have any way of measuring that right this moment, I prefer just to tell you cool, warm, and natural balance. Where this light gets clever is in its design. First off the bat, it's powered by a 5000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. According to the math, on a 10-watt draw at maximum output, you'll get approximately 1.5 hours of real-world continuous use. And that's accounting for some power loss. If you dial back the brightness, KraftGeek claims that it can stretch up to a maximum of 10 hours. It charges with USB-C and has 4 LED battery indicators: 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So you aren't left guessing. Even cooler, the ring light folds in half. You can unscrew it and use it as an off-axis hand fill light. Another big win is how modular the tripod itself is. The ring light connects to the telescopic pole using a standard 1/4-inch thread. That means the light isn't permanently glued to the setup. If you don't need the light on a specific shoot, you can unscrew it and use the tripod on its own. Because it has that universal 1/4 inch mount, you can attach an action or gimbal camera, a small mirrorless camera, or even a small flash on top of the tripod. It turns into a lightweight, ultra-tall rock and roll light stand or travel tripod. It's not all sunshine and catch lights though. There are a few design quirks that I suggest KraftGeek addresses in version 2.0. Number 1, the screw mount bottleneck. The bottom tripod expands with one tap, and your phone snaps on in a second with MagSafe. But then you have to manually screw the light module onto the tripod or have it screwed on already. It breaks the instant snap workflow. I'd love to see a quick release or magnetic connection between the light module and the stand. Number 2, control placements. The power and the brightness buttons are located at the bottom of the light face itself. When the light is turned off, that is absolutely fine. But when the 10-watt light is shining directly into your face, you literally can't see where those control buttons are because the light overpowers your vision. You end up fumbling about by touch. Number 3, it doesn't have a Bluetooth remote or app as far as I'm aware. There's no included Bluetooth shutter release for your phone's camera. And I know you probably have 1 or 2 or 10 lying around at home somewhere, but it would be nice if there were one included in the box that could be attached to the tripod or light stand itself. Nor is there an app or a Bluetooth control for adjusting the light brightness remotely. If the stand is extended to 6 feet, you have to lower it down just to adjust the brightness. And a quick finger warning: when closing the one-tap legs back down, watch your fingers. Keep them clear of the folding joints or it will pinch them. So overall, what's my verdict? If you're a solo mobile creator who values speed, portability, and having a bright, self-powered lighting setup that packs down small, the KraftGeek GlowRing is really a clever piece of kit. The height range and foldability of the ring light make it way more versatile than standard mobile tripods. If KraftGeek fixes the control button placement and adds a magnetic quick release for the light head, it would be almost perfect. Now I want to turn it over to you in the comments section down below. What is your main tool for content creation on the go? Are you strictly shooting on your smartphone, or are you running a small action camera or mirrorless camera setup? Let me know in the comments section down below. I always read your comments and I always answer them. If you enjoyed this honest breakdown, hit that like button and share, and subscribe to my channel for more photography and tech related content. And remember, if you want to pick up the GlowRing for yourself, you'll find an affiliate link in the description section down below. And don't forget to use our exclusive discount code Photechvideo, which will give you 15% off at the checkout. You'll also find affiliate links to other gear used in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to visit my new Amazon storefront, where you can check out my favorite photography and tech gear. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photechvideo signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in these next videos.